To access your stored images, tap on the patient icon on the top right corner or swipe left from the right edge of the screen and select the image you wish to review. To access images from a previous exam, tap on the exam, select the exam number or patient ID, and select an image. You will see a list of all stored exams. Tap on an exam to review it. You can close the exam by tapping on the arrow next to the exam number. To close the image gallery, swipe left to right. To manage your images, return to the Stored Images gallery for your chosen exam. Select one or more images by tapping and holding until a checkmark appears on your chosen image, or by tapping Select, then tapping Select All, or just tap to select the images you want. Tap Delete to remove the image from your image gallery.